Good morning, guys. Good morning. So life is finally back on track. My mom left. She went to my brother's place, and from there she'll be leaving for India. Marvel, look at Marvel. He is being such a cute boy today. Look at his face. Hi, Barbie. You're so cute. Anyways, guys, so now that life is back on track, we are done with the tea and shake and everything. I was editing a video. It's half done right now, and I put a face mask because I was tan from the Miami beach and the whole trip. So that is it. I'm going to be cleaning the house right now, and I finally made my bed. It feels so good to be back home, make your own bed, do your work and everything. I'll be cleaning right now and then going to the gym, healthy lunch, all the same routine that we used to do before mom was here. So let's get started and let's get cleaning. Okay, I'm done cleaning and now I'm just gonna put these clothes here for washing and go to the gym. I usually do my laundry on Saturday or Sunday, but because we're so busy and tired, I'm doing it today. I have so many clothes to wash, so I'm going to do it in 2 batches. One batch has gone inside and the second will go once I come back from the gym. And I don't have to make anything for lunch right now because we'll be having salad, and it's very easy. We have all the stuff. I'll just mix it up and it'll be ready. Marvel is right here relaxing. I'm going to go burn an incense stick so that my house starts smelling amazing. So this is the place where I always burn my incense stick. This one here. And this is the camera, like house monitoring camera. We have like one here, one there and everything. But yeah, just gonna clean this up and burn incense stick here. It honestly feels so good to clean your house after such a long time. I mean, it was just 2 days, but it feels like days, you know, or weeks. Burn some incense stick. I also cleaned the patio, put the pillows and everything outside because when we were gone, I got all the pillows and everything inside because of the rain. I didn't want them to get wet. And just trying to put this inside here. Yes, done. I just feel so good. I mean, the house smells so good whenever I burn incense sticks. So I love it. Just gonna put it back there. And done. All my work is done. Go to the gym now, and once I come back, we'll make lunch, eat it, and then I'll get back to editing again. I have 2 videos to edit. One is a Kiva thing and one is my brother's wedding. So that is what I'm gonna finish up today, and Yep, you can see my house is all nice, clean and arranged. Bedroom looks beautiful, nice and pretty. So happy to be back in routine, honestly. And you can also see the patio. I watered the plants, cleaned up everything. Yep. And Marvel is right here, relaxing. Marvel, he has the gardening gloves with him because I was cleaning the patio. He went out and got this. And if I go and take it now, he'll just go and grab it again. Marvel, look at this. I told you. He doesn't want to give it back. He doesn't tear apart or something like that. He just wants it to sit with him. Okay, I'm not gonna take it, okay? He can sleep. I'm not gonna take it.
So that was our 15-minute warm-up and HIIT workout. She's dead. We have been into routine after so long.
I can see last box.
15-minute intense HIIT workout. Comment on this video if you like it, and we'll do some more for you. You okay? If you're not, that's fine. That's why we came. So anyways guys, that was today's workout. We are going to do some cool down and stuff, and see you guys back at home.
I am back from the gym. Took a bath, and let's make some lunch. So for lunch, I'm gonna make a salad with veggie patty. So I'm gonna show you how I make everything. But for now, let's take out everything from the fridge, chop them up, and it will be done. It's gonna be very quick and simple. Let me just show you what all I have for my veggie salad. I have some butter lettuce here. I have shredded green cabbage, purple cabbage, red cabbage, and carrots. And I have arugula over here. The dressing is gonna be Caesar, very tiny bit. I have some tomato, onion, and I have 2 veggie patties that that will be cooking in my panini press, which is preheating right now. And that's it. Salad is going to be ready. So let's start making this. We are very hungry. Already looks delicious. Two bowls, like so. Very soon I'm gonna go and get a haircut. Take the salad here. If you want, you can also add boiled egg or something like that. Done. Now I'm going to top it off with some nuts and my patty, as soon as the patty is done. So let's go ahead. That's it. Now again, just give it a tiny bit of mix. Oops. Let me check on my patties, and that's it guys. You can see how delicious and amazing the lunch looks. Patty is ready, salad is ready. This is Mayan's. So let's go and enjoy some food. Lunch was super simple. Let's go enjoy because we are really hungry. And I also have to do these dishes, but I'm gonna do it after lunch once I'm free with all this work. and I also have to edit a video. So let's quickly go enjoy our lunch. We did an amazing workout, so why not give our body some good food now. Let's go. I'm done with my lunch and my is in our meeting, so that's why I'm talking so softly. And I'm also done washing my dishes. Right now I'm just sitting here to finish my editing and post this video for you guys. So let's edit and let's start working. I mean, the whole day is like this. I work, take break, do my work, do my other work, like my house jobs, and then again I get back to editing, and yeah, this goes on. And this is something I love, so I never feel this as a work kind of thing. Anyways, let's get back now.
April को आ जाएगी next week.
अच्छा. Mayank is off work and
looking for something to watch.
Yeah, we actually
besides Dexter.
Yeah, we have been watching Dexter for like past 1 month.
Yeah, I mean we haven't watched this whole month.
Yeah, because mom was here and everything, and we almost completed. We are in the last season. We're in the last season. We just have to complete it and it'll be done. Over. Right now I'm just I'm just going to publish this video right here. Yeah, I just need to press publish and it's gonna be done.
Bumblebee is gonna be available tomorrow for rent.
Oh, April 2nd, okay. Anyways, that is a plan. For now the plan is to have shake for dinner, but we don't know if it changes or anything.
Oh, Robin Hood is here.
Anyways, let's publish the video so that you guys can enjoy it. Publish. Anyway, so today was like a really relaxing day. We worked out, like literally back to routine. Got up on time, took Marvel for a walk and everything. Yep, that is how our day is going, and that's it. This video is published, and we'll be just watching some movie or Dexter or whatever, but we're still finding it. And I'm going to end this vlog right now, and I will see you in my next vlog. So till then, bye bye guys. Bye.
Bye bye.